Agree.
Nothing at all, but I don't know
You go. Take her. Favor. Come play with your cousin sister. Hey, don't cry. Where is the Grace? I will call Grace. Grace will take her. Grace will take him. Don't worry, Grace will take him inside. Okay. How are you?
Another. Where is Ebe? One, two, three, go. I'm gonna be. Hey, dinya nagaya. Nagaya, I'm sakit. Garadug. Yay! That dog good. Wow! Oh! How is the swimming today? Good? Do you like it? How is the swimming today? Good. How is swimming today, Grace? Nice. People, how are you guys doing? I believe you guys are doing really good. Yeah. Quick update. We have amazing, beautiful Mandari clothes. On 16, I believe that some of the people, you guys are planning to go for Mandari Festival. We have Lao, we have skates. So please, in affordable price, kindly drop your message, call me, WhatsApp me, and then come and take your Mandari cloth. I can come and deliver it to you, place that you are nearby. Okay, it's a very affordable cloth. Skirt for Mandari skirt is 25, while Mandari Lawa is 13 fakat. So in the market you see it with 37, while I sell it to you 25. And also the Lawa you will find it in the market 15k, while I am here sell it to you 13,000 only. So what are you waiting for? Kindly drop your beautiful comment in the comment section below. Let us know what you want, the cloth, Mandari cloth, or normal clothes, or here affordable price. Thank you so much, and God bless you guys. See you in my next video. Bye for now.
Woke baran ku wan mogo go di siang wora ga wanjok bud wanjok mane ka dong wanjal tong esha agwere nyinga dong piara ngwan wida bi mogo nyinga tani abi keda esha asa 45 ayat 5 woga da kier beneyan duanga chuai bung jok mego
How you guys doing? I believe you guys are really bouncing well. As for me and my family, we all always thank God for gift of life. Yeah, maybe this week has been a tough week for you, but I'm here to let you know that don't forget that God is still at work in your family, in your children's life, in your marriage. God is still at work. The situation may be super overwhelming, but then again, remember that God is always there for you. He is always there for you because you are his only child. Because he cannot just leave you just like that to battle that battle. You cannot be able to finish it, but he's there to finish it up. Okay? So, my beautiful people, it's amazing week. It's a blessing week. In every situation that you're finding yourself, please be grateful to God. Give him thanks. He's over your matter. It is sit down for your matter. Like me, God is sit down for my matter. My enemy, the year and wing, 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 wing. So yes, my people, I'm super excited and super happy and happy blessed week ahead of your time. And let this week be a grateful week, and then you will testify what the Lord has done for you and your family. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Sometimes when you are overwhelmed with joy, when you are coming out from some certain things, you feel that the enemy is trying to oppress you, and you realize that no, God is still there for you. What do you need to do? Is to shout, is to uplift, the Spirit of God in you. So try your best and do what Lord is telling you this week. Obey at least one thing that the Lord is telling you this week. Obey it. Okay? Have a lovely weekend. Have a blessing day. And see you in my next video. Tunaja. Evil. See you in my next video. Nyacollo. Like, share, subscribe, and leave your beautiful, awesome opinion in the comment section. Rate my look under the tree. Are they under the canopy? My talk done too much. I beg now, make a brack small. Are they under the canopy of my Jehovah? So rate my outfits. How do you guys look at me? I'm going out. Okay? See you in my next video. Bye for now.